Hey guys, it's all about this side once again, and in this video, we are going to talk about the ad creation part 2. Right? So, this is part 2 of ad creation. Now, in this video, we are going to go inside the last part, the final puzzle of creating the Facebook ad. Right? So, which is actually the face, the front face of a Facebook ad, the first interaction that you are going to make with your prospects, with your customers, with your future customers. Right? So, now you have to understand that this is seriously important because this is the first ever impression that you are going to make in front of your customers. So this has to be very good, right? Because the first impression is the last impression. We say that, but yeah, this is serious, right? So we are going to talk about the image ad, the carousel ads, the video ads, and what all things that you can do to catch the people's attention who are actually seeing your ad, because your ad has to catch the attention of all the people who are scrolling through all the Facebook feed which is going through, and your ad has to catch the attention, catch the people scrolling on Facebook, plus show your relevant message, show your relevant stuff, and tell them that this is exactly what we are doing, right? So there are things that we do, there are things that we implement to actually do this thing, right? And I'm going to teach you all of it inside this video. Plus, understand this, that not a lot of your ads are going to gain the actual success, right? Because when you will be starting, let's say 2 or 3 out of the 20 ads that you will be running will actually become successful. You will start learning all of it when you will actually get into practice. But initially you have to do a lot of split testing. What is that? How to do that? That is also something we are going to talk about in this video, right? So I'm going to switch over to my laptop, turn over the screen, and tell you exactly how to do all this stuff, right? And if you want to really get serious about your Facebook advertising, if you really want to master the Facebook advertising, if you really want to learn the things that I actually teach to my own company people, my own company employees, I have actually told you that we actually spend a lot of money on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, on Facebook advertising in our company. And this is the actual knowledge that I teach to my own company people. And I have shared all of it inside Timeline Domination. You want to learn, you want to see what all I have got inside Timeline Domination, the actual stuff, the real Facebook advertising stuff. You want to go inside this free workshop, which I have given the link right below this video. Go into that, watch the free workshop, register for it, watch the free workshop, come back, watch this video, which is actually really important, right? Because ad creation, as I said, the first phase of your ad, right? So do both the things and let's do it, right? Let's do it.
Hi there, welcome you back to this video, and I hope that you are already enjoying and learning a lot of things, a lot of stuff. You have plenty of things to take back home and implement in your business. I hope I have delivered a lot of value to you inside this Facebook bootcamp. Alright, so I am really happy by creating this bootcamp because I know it will be able to help a lot of people, of course including you, right? Provided that you are ready to put in the effort, right? So let's go ahead. So in this video we are going to take care of Facebook ad creation, right? So the step where we left off, now we are going to go ahead and cover that step. Now, so what we are going to do is, we have already selected the targeting, right? So we have selected all the people who are going to purchase our Henley t-shirts. So from coffee we have now switched over to the Henley business right inside this bootcamp, right? So that's how easily we can change the businesses on Facebook. Quite easy, right? Okay, so now we are selling the Henley for this business, and we have already excluded all the people who are not who have already bought the Henley t-shirt, right? So the targeting is this, and remember, this is the new targeting that we selected, so everything has been selected as per Facebook recommendation. I'm not touching that because this is what I have already covered. Now what you're going to do is, you are going to click on this one ad, right? This one ad. Now you will select the Facebook page through which you are going to run the advertisement. So in this case I will be selecting the local business one page just for the example sake, right? And for Instagram, okay, I will use the selected Facebook page, right? Now you can go ahead and select the kind of advertisement that you want to run. If you want to run the advertisement with the image or the video, you can do that, right? So you can select this option, or maybe you can select the image from here, or you can select the video from here, right? Next up, you can select the advertisement, create the advertisement with the carousel, right? So you can add multiple images or videos in a carousel. That is something that you can do. Or maybe you can select the collection advertisement and create the collection kind of advertisement, right? So all of these comes up with a unique set of features, right? So you can, once you grow advanced, you can go ahead and play with all sort of options that are available over here, right? So you can test this up test this by your own understanding, and this is all simple. Everything is in front of your eyes. You can go ahead and select this option. So it will ask you to add image number 1, image number 2, image number 3, and the description for all these images, right? So if you will select the collection objective, it will ask you for other bunch of things, right? And if you will go ahead and select this ad with an image or a video, you can simply select an image or a video, right? So let me go ahead and select an image for you. So I don't have any account image as of now, so I can go ahead and select a page image, but in this case we don't have an image right now. So what I am going to do is I'm going to upload an image from my computer, right? So any image that is there in my computer. So let's say this is an advertisement, right? Just for the sake of this example, let's say this is an advertisement. Of course I would have created the image. This is not even according to the dimension, which is 1200 by 628, but you can create, right? You can create the image according to your business. So let's say this is my image for this particular example, right? And this is the image where I'm selling the Henley. So this is what I have. So this is what I have selected the image, all right, and I can add the URL. So I will be sending people to the Henley URL, right? I'll be sending people to the Henley URL. Even I am amazed. By just 2 videos ago, I was selling the coffee, and now I'm selling the Henley. I mean, this can happen, right? When you are teaching, this can happen, right? I want to make sure that it covers to every business. So the description has been taken by Facebook itself from my page. Now the display link, this is optional. You can leave that. You can add the Henley headline over here. So you can say buy Henley here, right? I mean, this is just a, this is for just for the example's sake, right? This is not the actual advertisement which I'm going to create, right? Then you can add the news feed link description, right? You can add multiple other things over here. So uh, best cotton quality, and let's say 100% free shipping. I mean, all the things which are going to help you in selling your product, right? Then in the text that will come above the text, they come above the ad, you can add multiple other things over here. So we are selling the best quality Henley XX percentage discount today, by now, right? So you can add according to your wish, right? So this is how a great advertisement will look like once you will set up the text, once you will set up the image, once you will set up the headline, the newsfeed link description, and also the call to action, right? So you can change the call to action to, let's say, shop now, right? Let's say if you are running a ebook download advertisement, then you can change the call to action to download. Or maybe you are running a sign up advertisement, so maybe you can change it to sign up. Or maybe you are running an advertisement to watch the video, so you can use this. Or maybe apply now, book now, contact us. Let's say you are running a advertisement which is, let's say, in the real estate field, where you want people to contact you, right? So you can use this particular call to action. So anything that works best for you. For me, I have seen the learn more call to action has worked the best, but you have to test it, right? You can see all other placements over here. How does it look in other placements, right? So this is the desktop news feed. This is how it is looking in desktop news feed. So you can use this space. You can add few more things over here, right? So you know that you have this space. You can add x number of things over here, right? So you have to optimize this space as much as you can, right? Optimize this space as much as you can. Use the best, I mean, spend the best quality time of your day in creating the advertisement, because this is the first interaction that will happen with your customer, with your prospects, when you will be doing this thing, right? So spend quality time when you are creating this advertisement, spend quality time when you are creating this image, and always split test, right? Split test means always create multiple ad types, always create multiple variations of the single advertisement. So always, don't always rely on a single advertisement, right? Create multiple other variations. So let's say in one of the variations the ad image remains the same but the headline changes. Let's say in other advertisement the headline remains the same but the ad image changes. You can try and test multiple other stuff, right? So this is how you will grow, and this is how your business will grow. You will see how is it looking in the instant article placement, you will see how it is looking in the desktop right column, how it is looking in the Instagram feed. If you feel that it is not looking good in any of the placements, then you can change according to that placement, right? So from this particular ad creation, let's say if the ad is not looking good in the instant article, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove instant articles from my placement, right? So see, you have to do a lot of testing, I have given you the complete overview of what all things will look like and how are they going to look like when you will change X, Y, Z, right? So your URL comes over here, so anyone who will be clicking on your advertisement, they will be moving over to this particular URL. Let me show it to you right now. Let me publish this ad right in front of you, right? Because I want to show you everything which I can, right? So let me publish this ad. So it is 75% done, now 100% done. So now my ad has been published. Of course, it is in review. And what I will do, I will go ahead and click on this particular button and I will say I want to see the Facebook post with comments, right? So this is how my advertisement is looking like on Facebook, right? This is how it will look on Facebook. I can see from here how it is gonna look on Facebook. If I don't like the look and feel of this advertisement by seeing at the actual ad, I can go ahead inside over here, right? I can make the changes by right now. Let's say I can make the relevant changes and then I can republish it, right? So this is the thing that you can do, right? So I guess I have covered everything inside the ad creation. That's how you are going to create the advertisement inside Facebook, and always split test multiple times. Do the split testing, and always remember the fact that always in the advertisement to the hot audience, then the warm audience, then the cold audience. If you are a complete newbie, then of course you will be running to the cold audience. But in business, you will grow after some time and you will start learning stuff. You will start learning stuff with the help of trying, testing, and of course from the resources like this Facebook Bootcamp, right? So this is it, I guess, for this video. Let me go ahead and pause this ad because this is not what I'm going to run anyways, right? So let me go ahead and pause this one, and I guess this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.